Welcome, in front of me I have ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip, and today I'll show you how you can create folders on the home screen. So for example, we are going to organize icons, and let's click and hold and put it for another one, just like that. As you can see, it's very simple. And it looks just like that. You can move this folder, you can enter for it, you can choose application manually. You can also change name. And here we got our folder. So as you can see, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.